Dear students, today we solve a problem on STDR. This problem I have taken from the textbook, problem number 27, page number 43. And this problem is a special problem because in this problem they have not given separate standard population, but they have given two locations, city A and city B, and they mentioned city B as a standard population. So city B is a standard population in the given problem here. So what they asked here, they asked to from the following data calculate CDRs and STDRs of two cities A and B and comment. So our task is to find CDR as well as STDR and how to calculate it. So it is same as previous problem how we solved there. Only difference is there separate population is given as the standard population, and that population we have taken in the column of standard population, that is called as a P, and ASDR as usual for city A and ASDR into standard population, that is PA. And when it comes to city B, there also we have to write the standard population of the same city because city B itself is a standard population. So I have written that here itself, and as usual how we calculate STDR for location A, in the same way we have to calculate for city B. And remember one thing, that when standard population is one of the given city or location itself, then no need to calculate STDR. The CDR itself is a STDR because CDR for that location is nothing but weighted average ASDR of weighted average of the ASDRs of that location. So here we are calculating ASDR and we are multiplying the same population and dividing by the same population again. So we get CDR and STDR both same answer. Let us calculate it and we'll cross check it. Okay, so first we'll calculate for city A. So first they asked CDR. So CDR for city A is equal to deaths divided by population into 1000. So that is equal to what is the total death and what are the population. So deaths are 992 and here 40,000. Okay, so here 992 divided by 40,000 into 1000 is equal to, so three zeros will get cancelled, and 992 divided by 40 is equal to 24.8. And now CDR for location B. CDR for location B, formula remains same, deaths divided by population. So here total deaths are, no not 5, plus 465 plus 500 plus 390 is equal to 1460 is death, and 50,000 is the population. So 1460 divided by 50,000 into 1000 is equal to 146 divided by 5 is equal to 29.2. So CDR for location A is 24.8 and CDR for location B is 29.2. So we'll mention it, CDR for location A is 24.8 and for location B is 29.2. And now let us calculate STDR for the both location. And the formula for STDR is equal to summation PA divided by summation P for location A, and it is STDR for location B is equal to summation PB divided by summation P. So let us calculate them. For P, I will calculate one ASDR here for age group 0 to 20 for ASDR for 0 to 20 age group for location A. So total deaths are 100 divided by 5000. 100 divided by 5000 into 1000 is equal to 20. So ASTR for first age group is 20. 20 into 7000. So that is 1,40,000. And for second age group 20 to 50, 392 deaths divided by 14,000 population into 1000 is equal to 28. So 28 into 15,000, that is equal to 4,20,000. Then next comes 300 divided by 20,000 into 1000 is equal to 15. And 15 into 25,000 is equal to 3,75,000. And last age group 70 and above, 200 are the deaths divided by 1000 into 1000 is equal to 200. So 200 into 3000 is equal to 6 lakh. So total of this column is 15 lakh 35,000. 15 lakh 35,000. And let us calculate ESDR and PB column for location B first. Then we will go for calculating STDR. So first age group 0 to 20, 105 are the deaths divided by 7,000 into 1000 is equal to 15. And 15 into 7,000 is equal to 1,05,000. And second one, 465 divided by 15,000 into 31 into 15,000 is equal to 4,65,000. Then third one, 500 divided by 25,000 into 1000 is equal to 20. 20 into 25,000 is equal to 50,000. Sorry, 5 lakh. Next comes 390 divided by 3000 into 1000 is equal to 13. Sorry, 130 into 3000 is equal to 3,90,000. So total of this column is 14,60,000. So 14,60,000 is the total for PB column CTP, and total of standard population. So that is 50,000. Already we have calculated here 50,000. Okay. Now let us calculate STDR for both location A and location B. So location A, summation PA is 15,35,000 divided by standard population total is 50,000 is equal to, so 15,35,000 divided by 50,000 is equal to 30.7, whereas summation PB is 14,60,000 divided by 50,000 total of standard population is equal to 14,60,000 divided by 50,000 is equal to 29.2. So here we can say that STDR of location B with the standard population of location B itself, the STDR is 29.2 and CDR of location B is also 29.2. So this proves that CDR of a standard population is itself a STDR. So no necessary to calculate STDR separately for the location which is a standard population itself. Okay, and here CDR is 24.8 for location A and CDR for location B is 29.2 and STDR is 30.7 for location A and STDR for location B is 29.2. And here we can say by referring the CDR, the death rate is less for location A, that is 24.8. However, we don't use that to compare. That here we will come to know that why, because it doesn't tell the accurate result. When we calculate STDR for both the location, here STDR of location B is less than STDR of location A. That is, when we compare to another location with help of standard population, we will come to know the accurate result. So here STDR of B is less compared to STDR of A, where CDR of location B is more. Individually, when we take that location, so it tells death rate is more to that location. But when we compare with another location, the death rate is less for city B. So here conclusion is the city B is more healthier as its STDR is less compared to STDR of city B. So since STDR of location B is less than STDR of location A, city B is more healthier. So since STDR of city B is less than STDR of city A, city B is more healthier. So here we complete this standardized death rate. We have calculated CDR, ASDR and STDR. In the next classes, we solve problems on infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate and another one neonatal mortality rates.